this life keeps on moving. Don't you worry about me, I'm gonna leave it all behind tonight.
As a new year arrives, everyone is setting new goals, better goals. How long do they keep them? Well, it depends on the person. So this year, I like to hike more, be more intentional with my time, and progress in my every aspect of my life. Hikes are great because they give me time with myself to think.
Bones sinking like stones, all that we fall for. Homes, places we've grown, all of us are done for. And we live in a beautiful world. Yeah, we do, yeah, we do. We live in a beautiful world. Bones sinking like stones, all that we fall for. Places we've grown, all of us are done for.
All right, now let's go look for a camp spot for tonight. Well, this is our spot right here. Quick campsite tour. It's a little windy, so don't mind the wind. Hopefully it doesn't come up too much on video. Pretty easy. Got my camping chair. I did take out the solar panels because the sun goes behind that hill at like 3 p.m. So I had to get enough sun on my solars on the roof. Camping chair there. And here we have a grill, campfire pit, which I will not be making tonight because I don't want to smell like smoke, table, and view. There is all kinds of wildlife around here, a lot of birds. Earlier this morning we had some bunnies, and then they come out at night as well. There is a spigot here, but it's limited water, and this spigot does not have any. I'll have to walk around to the ones that do. And not too far from the van, right here we have a riverbed, but they don't really want us to go down there, so. But look. All wildlife, baby, and airplanes. Supposedly, the area around here, there is an airport, and also it's called the Box. The reason I know this is because I do know a pilot that flies small planes, and he was saying that this is where they do a lot of the training to turn off engines and stuff, which they actually do. I'm gonna see if I can film one. There's nothing up there right now, but you literally like see the airplanes going in spirals and stuff, and then turn off the engines and kind of turn them back on. Basically practice. Lunch is here and I am getting hungry. This is my first attempt at this dish, so you're gonna experience it with me. Let's get cooking. Tofu, baby. If you're new to the channel, welcome. But if you're not, you guys know that I don't eat meat. So I'm going to attempt to make a tofu steak. What? I've seen some recipes online, but I am gonna attempt to make my own thing. This is exciting. This looks really good. Oh, it smells really good. Lately I got this cilantro chili bitching sauce. That's what it's called. And I've been hooked. I put it on everything. Tacos, you name it. Well, let's try it without it. Oh, it's kind of like a steak to cut. Okay, okay. I should have done this a long time ago. Do I even need to use my pitching sauce? Mushrooms are great. Let's see the broccolini. But now this is gonna go to the next level. My cast iron is very, very well seasoned, so I just put some water after I finish cooking, and everything pretty much comes off. Take a paper towel, clean it up. I use avocado oil for all of my cooking, but really anything with high temperature oil should do the trick. I'm reheating it again, just so it opens up a bit, absorbs some of that oil. When it's cold, I'll dry it off again. And that's kind of my routine to keep the cast iron seasoned and in good shape. But it's also the reason that I don't always use it, because it takes a bit of maintenance. But when it comes to cooking outside, it's probably the best thing I have, and I've had it for 6 years now. Happy 2024. Thank you for coming along on today's video. Check this one out if you want to see more van life related content, and I'll see you soon, 2024 style. We'll see ya.